Ako lang ako, di ba? Penguin natin. Ano yun? Ba't ka nagpapatahimik?
Where are we going?
United States.
No!
Andito kami sa Phuket, Thailand.
Say hi to them.
Diba?
Hi to them!
Hi to them.
Ito din. Balot na balot ang puta.
Hindi
Hey,
ata.
Che, what's about our
Uy, ba't di ako
one
kasha?
word?
Hindi na-adjust yan.
There are two kinds
of what?
shark.
Shark?
Yes.
What is it?
Pateng and Sharky.
Parang kayo daw.
From?
Nagtatawa na
Bantayan Island.
Wait, definition
Definition of what?
of the shark.
What?
Shark.
Shark. Oh shoot. Something came out of my mouth. Hindi kasi sa akin to.
Definition.
Sorry, I
Umaga pala
forgot.
walang
Wait.
jellyfish, Luis.
Shark is
ano?
a fish, but a big fish, and the shark
Bigat mo.
one is what?
Wait a minute. Yeah, I got it. Definition of both.
Okay.
Okay.
Definition of pating and the shark.
Pating means
According to-
small fish. Sharky is the big one. That's the shark.
What's the difference of big and small shark? The pating,
Pating do not
Ay,
eat
pag umaga,
people.
walang ano.
but the sharks.
Eats people.
Oh my God! Ilma! Crazy.
Pag umaga, walang jellyfish.
Bakit ganun? Hindi kasya sa akin ang akin.
Abigail, happy birthday!
Ay, pag anong ba ang andar? Pumwesto pa ako dito.
Okay,
Happy
okay,
birthday.
Thanks. Pag anong andar natin? Ay, okay. Doon ako hahanap. Mas ka dyan?
Ay, ang babang pala rito. Hindi ka
Isang island tayo punta, kuya. Na-adjust yan?
Uy! Ligay ka mo dyan!
Asan yung pupuntahan natin? Tanaw mo?
So, from here and then
Ilang oras?
going there.
Ligay ka mo dyan!
Excuse daw po.
Ang babaw. Sobrang babaw niya, no? Parang as in dito lang.
Akala ko.